Well, as today is about 114 degrees, we are in the midst of summer here. This might feel a little bit early to be talking about the pivot towards fall, but it is coming soon, and it's a very fragile pivot, as we've all been experiencing many fragile pivots. And so I just wanted to give you a little kind of course on how we can transition. The transition periods in Ayurveda are called sandhis, or joints, like an elbow joint, where we transition from one season to the next. And I'm going to be doing a 4-week course. It's going to be very short, 1 hour each week on a Zoom platform. And the first hour is going to be an introduction to Ayurveda. If you've studied it or if you've never studied it, Ayurveda means, Ayuhu means life, and Veda means science or knowledge. And this is going to be quick, short, and to the point of basically how to get to know ourselves better, like what's inside of our skin to the deep, deep levels, and how it's a reflection of what's outside of our skin, and how that interplay is the most important thing for us to watch, and how to take care of ourselves in a self-empowered vision of vitality. And this is so important because I'm really feeling like healthcare today is either going down the tubes or into our own hands. And especially with the climate crisis that we are in the midst of, this ability for us to focus on nature and her cues about how to take care of ourselves are the most important thing in our human survival right now. Not just our own separate, personal, my survival, but our communities and our greater universe at large. So please join me. The second week is going to be on our daily routine, what we can do when we wake up. What time should we wake up? Should we clean? Should we do yoga? Should we eat something? All those questions will be answered. And specifically, like, what are the qualities in fall to watch out for and to make sure that they don't land in our bodies, minds, spirits, our fractal energy, and to kind of pacify some of those qualities. Like if you think of fall, you might think of light, dry, cool, windy, and those qualities might produce enthusiasm and happy activity. But if they're in excess, we can actually get ungrounded, spaced out, have problems with sleeping, insomnia, constipation. Lots of challenges there. So then the third week is all about what to eat in the fall. And of course, everybody is different. Everybody has different likes. But what is arising in our seasonal bounty? Like, what is nature producing at this time? And how can what nature is producing help me stay balanced and in tune with her? And then the last week is going to be on asana practice and how to stay grounded. And the fall has a tendency of ungrounding us. It's likened to Vata dosha. So Vata dosha is air and ether, and it's responsible for all of our movements. And fall season has a lot of air and ether energy. So staying grounded and committed to the earth, staying lubricated with the nutrition of water, and staying strong in our digestion and our Agni with the energy of fire is going to be demonstrated with our last class on asana. So 4-week class. This is going to be done in 2 ways. One, on Zoom, and you just have to email me and I'll send you the link. and the other one is going to be done through Ashtanga Yoga Paris. And the Ashtanga Yoga Paris is going to start a little bit later, like around the equinox. My personal one is going to start the end of August. And really that 2-week period before the equinox, which is September 22nd, I think, and 2-week period after, that month is the most fragile month for our health of the whole year, according to Ayurveda. So I hope you'll join me, and all the information is in the link. Namaste. Take care. Hope to see you.